the direct path for changing your life. Also, business owners' dream. Have you been looking for a way to make things better and easier in your life and or businesses? We have your direct path to change your life and also businesses. A company that is different than anything you have ever seen or heard of, breaking the way than the usual and regular. It is truly a new and better way forward. It gives you, at the same time and finances. Yes, you heard that right, at the same time. Get back your time and have more finances. Let the AI do the work for you 24/7 and 365 days a year. Mind you, around the world. You just do a little and it does the rest. By the way, it's more secure, easier, unlimited, and pays you for using our digital paid products. We don't charge an arm and a leg for, I say, also a business owner's dream, as it is all in one place. We have redone the tools you use and put AI in them. We made them easier and gives you direct targeted traffic to what you are doing. Plus, it doesn't charge an arm and a leg. Gives you the highest quality and is the most secure. This new way has made things more easier, saves you time, and will give everyone around the world a lift up, no matter your skills, background, or handicap. This company is a true movement, helping humanity around the world. Let's help you to help us change the world in a positive way, helping you to have more priceless moments. A company with heart, also known as AI with heart. Make 2025 and on better for you and your family and all businesses. Live more, worry less, give more, dream bigger.